today we're gonna solve the 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube. Okay, I have to scramble this Rubik's Cube. I practiced this for many years, but I finally know how to solve it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, we'll find this.
Cool, Ankush. Oh.
So guys, I'm gonna solve that 3 by 3 next time because I don't know how to solve this right now. Look, I don't know how to solve this. If you know to solve this, you can just comment me. You can just solve. I'm gonna know how to solve the 3 by 3 when I'm gonna go in America. So that's why I'm just gonna do the 2 by 2 in my country, Bangladesh, and when I go to America, then I'm gonna show you the 3 by 3. So in the next video, I'm gonna tell the United States President from George Washington to Joe Biden, subscribe to my channel and like this video and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye.